Hello everyone, this is a video about this foldable and adjustable microphone boom arm. And to be honest with you, I didn't need any boom arm for my microphone because I'm using the Rode Wireless, and I'm really happy with that, and I have no complaint about it. And I just needed some stand for my tablet or my mobile phone, wherever that I need it to be available without using my hands. Anyway, there are some versions of this for the tablet stand or easy arm or whatever they call it, that instead of having this, it has some sort of a spring-loaded mechanism that you can put it around your tablet and use it. And some of it has even the magnet sort of display here that you can attach your tablet or your mobile phone via a magnet. So they are very expensive. If I want to give you the price exactly like this without the magnet, is something about £59, and with the magnet is something about £79. And this one prices starts from £49.99 up to £55, or some other people they are selling it for £59. So this one is really there are loads of good reviews about this, and I thought, okay, let's try it. So first let's look all around this box, and this one is the space gray, and it comes in silver and black, and I don't know what it says here. Anyhow, nothing in here, nothing in here. So special metal design, free rotation. And about this free rotation, I have to tell you that this one, it needs some sort of muscles in order to move it around. And at the bottom you have the same, just displaying how is connecting a microphone to this, and how you attach it to the table, and how it's gonna be folded back. That I'm telling you, this is really tough to move around. And it comes with some attachments here, and it just says that 5/8 inch nut, and then 3/8 inch screw here, and here there is an Allen key that I explain what that Allen key is used for. Anyhow, I get everything out of the box, and we are going to talk more. So these are everything that it comes in the box, apart from the boom arm. We are going to talk about that a little bit later. It comes with 5 Velcro strap to harness the cable of your microphone or whatever that you are connecting here. And I think it can somehow withstand the weight of a medium-sized DSLR camera. And here we have 5, if you want me to get it out, 5 of these velcros that they are long, like so. And then, oops, the Allen key, I get it later. I just dropped it, and this is the user manual that it says foldable and adjustable microphone boom arm, and it's just telling you how to use this. I'm gonna explain to you how to do that, and these are the stuff that is coming with it, and that's really it. And now I'm going to talk about this in detail. So now let's have a look. Listen, I am using all of my force now. It's so hard, and I mean, the only easy part for this is this one, that you can easily turn it around, especially when you are using this as a lever to just move it around. Anyhow, let me just fold it back and I show you this. It comes with this 5/8 knot, and then here is just the screw, the 3/8 inch screw, and this one is just for tightening, because this one is long. If you have a microphone that it has a not too short for all of this, you can secure it with this. And sometimes when you connect this to your microphone, when you are disattaching your microphone, this one comes out of this screw and attaching itself to your microphone. And when you want to get it out, let me just get the Allen key on the floor. Yeah, you just use this to just open this and get it out of your microphone and put it back on this. Anyhow, I wanted to use this as a tablet stand, and I opted for this. And I have to tell you, I didn't know that this one rotates from here like so. It's really hard, and then it goes up and down like so. I'm telling you, it's really hard. It's a workout to move this around, and your table or desk has to be very sturdy in order to just move this around and not moving your desk. Anyhow, so I opted for this. And then if you want to use this with your mobile phone, I have some sort of attachment, camera attachments. I show you this. I'm using this in with a somehow selfie stick, just a stick here, and then I adapted this to connect to the 3/8 of an inch screw there, and then here you can just disattach it if you want. And then here, I don't like those spring loaded mechanism, because it's really flimsy, that you have to stretch them out. Let me see if I can show you what I mean. This is what I mean. This is for tablet. That is very flimsy. As you see, is bending and is attaching from here to a ball joint that is attached to here. And then if you want to use your mobile phone for this, this is for your mobile phone, and this is how you connect it. And I hate these things that is a spring loader, but I use this one for my mobile phone for quickly get it out and put it back in. And you see, I had attached this. This is for those ring LED lights that you can mount it in the center, and I have loads of these attachments everywhere, and then these ball joints as well, because if you want to turn this to the side is really hard with this, so I'm using this one. So the other thing that I wanted to talk to you about, I thought maybe if I can loosen the screw underneath here, all of this, maybe it's gonna get looser and I can use it, and then whenever I need it, I tighten it up. La la! I took all of these out. I tell you the easiest way. Let me just put this here. Put these here. And the easiest way, without scratching them, without scratching this aluminium metal all around it, is just use a X-Acto knife and put the very sharpest part of the X-Acto knife underneath here, between those and this metal part, and then you just flick it open and it opens. And here are all of those hex screws, and there is another one here as well. So this is I haven't removed that one because it's useful for this one to be hard, but these, they are nightmare. So the problem is this screw, all of these, is just for attaching this part back to here and holding everything together, but it has some sort of dampers in there, and the metal bit in the center. That, and let me just see if I can just open one. So I have opened one just to show you. It has some sort of bushing in the surrounding, and then a metal piece in the center, and then the screw is just holding everything, the back and this front piece together. And it doesn't matter how loose you want to make this, but still this one is hard to turn. Obviously it's going to make it just a tad looser, very, very tiny bit looser, but it is not going to make it that easier. And then in order to tighten it, you can just use some sort of lever and then tighten it. So I left it open like this because it is not really bad looking. These are shiny bits, very nice, but other side is like this. I can always put them back because I stuck them to a piece of plastic that you can easily remove it. But in general, this is a nice piece of a stand for your tablet, and is easily modifiable, that you can modify it by attaching anything that you like to this end. But when you buy the one that it comes with something like this, you just have the ball part here, so you cannot attach anything to the end of it. Let me just show you on this one, that just to demonstrate to you that you see how it looks like. The end of it looks like this, and attached to here exactly like this, but the other end is like this, just to attach to here. And I find this one much usable and flexible to use with any other stuff that you want. For instance, your camera, your tablet, anything that you want to attach to this. Anyhow, this video is getting too long. If you have any questions about this, you can just leave your questions in the comment section, and then I get back to you as soon as I can. But for the time being, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.